today's video, I'm going to show you how to enter your WordPress admin area. Whether you're just starting out or need a quick refresher, this guide will make the process simple and secure. Start by opening your preferred web browser. Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any updated browser for compatibility and security. Next, type in your WordPress admin URL, which usually ends with /wp-admin, like this. Your website.com/wp-admin. On the login screen, enter your admin username and password. If you've forgotten them, click the Lost Your Password link to reset it via the email linked to your account. Remember to use a strong password with a mix of uppercase, lowercase numbers and special characters for security. Once you've entered your credentials correctly, click Login. You'll now be inside the WordPress admin dashboard, the central hub for managing posts, plugins, themes, and more. And that's it, you've successfully accessed your WordPress admin area. Always remember to log out if you're on a shared or public computer to keep your site secure. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more WordPress tips and tutorials.